One more day and it's not raining. It was supposed to be heavy rains the past couple of days. That's why I built this little contraption. I tried to stop the water from entering the basement, and it seemed to have worked because there's none of it here. It might also be because there hasn't been any rain, basically. I've done that. I've done this. What I'll do now is I will add, it's not much left of it. I'll build a border here and then pour concrete. I'll build a border here and I'll pour concrete there as well. So yeah, cue another time lapse, or maybe not. One more done. I'm going to leave this for later. Since we are doing the extension, we're going to do connections here, so that will be unfinished. I will, however, do this connection. I will do that connection, this one here, that one there. So yeah, there are a few things to do, and all of that and this piece. But yeah, we are. We're really getting there. It's we are on the, is it home stretch or home run? Home stretch, I guess. Anyway, that's what we are on. Time for a short break from the basement build and have a look at this again. And this little project is my racing simulator or motion simulator that I built in the previous episode. It's been sponsored by JLCMC, which is a website for basically anything you can think of when it comes to DIY or these kind of things. They have anything from aluminium profiles, linear actuators, casters, fasteners, different type of hooks. Maybe you're into conveyor belts, you can build one of those. Maybe you're into a workbench, a trolley on wheels, anything that you can think of. If you have a project file, you can upload that to the website and you can add all the products automatically to the shopping cart. I did it manually. Took quite a lot of time because I had quite a lot of pieces, but it worked perfectly fine. So a big thank you to JLCMC for sponsoring this little segment of the video and for providing such fantastic products. It's a new morning, and I haven't been filming much lately. I've basically just been snapping my fingers to get the job done, but I'm actually working. I need to address that mud because it's it's starting to grow in it. So I'll be removing that, unfortunately, and then I'll do that piece, the connecting piece between these two walls, and then continue digging. I have a few more places to do some work, basically over here. I still have that, but I need to let that dry a little bit more before I can do that. So there are things to do and holes to dig. The mud stays. It's still way too heavy to lift out by hand, so I'm not going to destroy myself doing that. It's going to wait until we have a digger down here in the future. As for the ideas and suggestions I've got for putting a French drain here, it's a fantastic idea, but we are building an extension here, so we are doing a concrete slab here. We'll do a drainage all around the perimeter. So building a French drain here would be fantastic right now, but a waste of time since we're removing all of that dirt anyway. So we are just temporarily going to close off here as soon as I'm finished down here and build some sort of protection from water until we are going to continue building down here, which is going to be after the winter. We are not going to be digging down here during the rainy season. I am going to continue digging this, but I'm actually going to end it. I think you guys have seen enough of the basement build. Please check out the links down below for JLCMC. If anyone is into sim racing and has any clue what to do about steering wheels, pedals and shifters, etc., please cube as a tech, and I have no idea what to do. I am actually going to the airport to pick up my parents, so I'm going to end it. Please leave a comment down below, press subscribe, like, and send to your friends. Until next time, ciao!